Solve sin 4x minus 1 equal to 0, where x lie in the interval 0 to pi. Here they told you to solve. So you should find the values for x satisfying this equation, and also it should lie in the interval 0 to pi. Here you have pi, that means you should get the answer in radians. For that, put your calculator in radians mode. Now the given equation is sin 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Here you have sin, so you make sin the subject. For that, you should remove minus 1. To remove minus 1, you add plus 1. So now this cancel out, you get sin 4x equal to 1. Now to get the values for 4x, here it is sin and here it is positive. So now you should check in what all quadrants is sin positive. It is all silver teacups. So it is positive in the first and in the second. So 4x equal to get an angle in the first quadrant, we should do directly sin inverse 1. To get an angle in the second quadrant, we should do pi minus sin inverse 1. Now 4x equal to, before you calculate this, make sure your calculator is in radians mode. Now put this in the calculator, you get pi by 2. Put this in the calculator, you get pi by 2. Now the question arises, in what interval should the values for 4x lie? Question 2. More, how many values shall I find for 4x? To answer that, we do this. Here x lie in this interval, we should get 4x. For that, you multiply by 4. So we get 0 less than or equal to 4x less than or equal to 4 pi. Now the values of 4x should lie in this interval. When this happens, then automatically the values for x will lie in this interval. Am I clear? Now we should write all the values for 4x in this interval. Does pi by 2 lie in this interval? Yes, so accept it. Now to get another value, you should add 2 pi to this. So pi by 2 plus 2 pi will result in 5 pi by 2. Does this lie in this interval? Yes, so accept it. Now to get another value, add 2 pi to this. When you add 2 pi, you get 9 pi by 2. Does this lie in this interval? No. So this you reject it. So the values we got for 4x is pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. Now to get the values for x, I should remove this 4. So to get rid of the 4, you divide by 4. So here it cancel out, resulting in x. Here we get pi by 8. Here we get 5 pi by 8. So these are the values we got for x. This is our answer. Am I clear?